Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushami Chakravarti and today I would like to discuss on the topic that is chapter number 8 of BST controlling. If you have not gone through my previous videos relating to the other chapters of BST, go to my channel and watch it. Moving on to the meaning of controlling. Controlling is basically a process ensuring that actual activities conform to planned activities. It means the process of gathering and feeding back information about performance so that the decision makers can compare the actual results and decide what to do about any apparent problems in future. It means that basically that it consists of those activities which are necessary to ensure that the performance take place in accordance with the target laid down by the management, involving corrective action and performance in betterment for the future of the organization. Moving on to the definition of controlling. The definition of controlling has been given by different authors. Some of them important are, according to Henry Fayol, control of an undertaking consists of seeing that everything is being carried out in accordance with the plan which has been adopted and orders which have been given and the principles which have been laid down. Its objective is to point out the mistake in order that they may be rectified and prevent from recurring. According to Herrad Cons, controlling is the measurement and correction of performance in order to make sure that enterprise objectives and the plans devised to attain them are accomplished. Moving on to the important characteristics of controlling when we speak about them. First, controlling is a process. You can say it is a continuous process. It involves a continuous measurement and review of actual performance and result. Corrective actions are based on this review. It may also lead to the changes in the planning, organizing and staffing, etc. It is universal in nature, means all the hierarchies level may ensure the process of controlling so that proper efficiency and the actual target of the organization can be achieved. It is forward looking. Controlling is said to be forward looking. It is related to the future as past cannot be controlled. It is usually preventive as the presence of controlling system lead to minimize wastage, losses and deviations from standard. It is a dynamic process as well as it involves control by management. It is a way where performance can be checked and alterations can be done so that in future there is no problem with the organizational objectives. That is why it is regarded as a dynamic process, and on the basis of the steps taken by the medium of controlling, the management can again take important decisions relating to that aspect. Influencing factors. It implies taking corrective measurement whenever required. Actions is basically the essence of the control. The purpose of control is achieved only when corrective action is taken on the basis of feedback. And essence of action. It is basically an essence of action, as with the medium of controlling only corrective action can be taken by the management, and by the medium of these rectified steps ultimately the goals of organization can be achieved. It is also called looking back as well as future looking. The next part of the chapter will be continued in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.